most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Dan Tomaso.
And welcome in, everyone. Watching clouds and now a few showers beginning to move into the Cumberland Valley. So things are getting a little bit more active outside, but for the most part, east of this shield of rain, there's still some periods of sunshine to enjoy here over the lunch hour. And just notice, already beginning to see some of that pink showing up on Doppler radar. Again, the atmosphere is just cool enough. We could see a brief wintry mix here with this first round this afternoon. Very light precipitation returns moving into southwest parts of Franklin County. I would be surprised if this is not reaching the ground as of yet. But when we zoom out, there is some heavier rain out there. And this is really the nighttime batch of precipitation moving through Ohio now. To the west of that, some severe weather and a tornado watch box. Yesterday, if you were following us, we talked about some of the severe weather over parts of Oklahoma, too. Again, these types of systems, when we talk about this much warm air that's unseasonable and cool air tries to move back in, that is a recipe, even in February, for severe weather. Let's talk about current winds. Starting to blow a little bit more out of the southeast, so that is also a sign that this front is getting closer. That chance of precipitation will increase over the next couple of hours. Meanwhile, this is a very good trend. Carlisle, Lancaster at 50 degrees, 48 in York, 45 in Lebanon. Again, I'm not terribly concerned about temperatures dropping here as we go through the next several hours, even as the precipitation arrives. We have some room to drop before we get anywhere close to freezing. So here's the warm front. Again, word today is wintry mix. Will there be some snow? Yes, but there will be also periods of sleet and rain mixing in. Let's show you this on Precision Cast. Through the middle part of this afternoon, that first batch moves by, but then by the evening commute, likely after 6 p.m., that's when the heavier round arrives. And anywhere north of Harrisburg, northwest of Harrisburg, may see some periods of snow and sleet, but everywhere else off to the south, temperatures in the 40s. It's a cold rain. That continues then overnight. Again, there still may be some periods of wet snow and sleet. There could be some accumulation on the grassy surfaces, but you hear I keep saying the word could, might. We're kind of facing some steep odds here based on how warm it is right now leading into this. Then leading into tomorrow morning, still cloudy, but we actually get a bounce back for our forecast tomorrow, too, temperature-wise. We go back close to 50 degrees. Wednesday, we're in the 50s. That should be a really nice day. Temperatures in the mid-50s. And then looking ahead to Thursday night into Friday, there's yet another storm, James, following the warm-up for Thursday. So similar to what we just went through yesterday, highs near 60 degrees. Then this chance of wintry mix. I do think that is trending more toward rain. Again, the setup just isn't there. I talk about it all winter long. You need the cold air first to get the snow. And we have just not had anything line up in that direction.
I mean, it makes sense.
Yes, it does make sense. But again, when we're trying to look ahead, we're looking at patterns. That's what we're thinking about.
When we get temperatures like in the 60s and the 70s, it's just time to call winter done.
I kind of want to move on at this point. I don't like sleet storms. I don't like wet snowstorms. If it's going to snow, give me a good one. But
right.
I haven't seen it.
Not yet. All right, Dan, thank you. We'll be right back.